The Brownell farm is an iconic, historic Little Compton home. It sits at the top of Meeting House Lane and West Main Road, and all visitors to Little Compton have enjoyed it since 1815. The farm itself has been in the hands of the Brownell family since 1803 and has never left the family. The house was built around 1815. We're almost certain by the same builder of the church house in Adamsville, and has passed through multiple generations of Brownell men and women through the years. One really important part of the farm's history is that many of the children that were born here chose not to be farmers and actually left Little Compton for other professions. A merchant in Providence, a doctor in Connecticut, and most interestingly, a large number of children in the 19th century moved to Kentucky to be involved in the mill business there. So generation after generation, the farm was left to the youngest son, who stayed behind and maintained the family farm. Another really important chapter in the history of this property is that in the 20th century, it was owned by Carlton Brownell and his sisters. Carlton is a well-known local historian and preservationist. Carlton is responsible for the preservation of the Wilbur House, the Friends Meeting House, the Chase Corey House in Tiverton, and he put an equal amount of effort and energy and expertise into researching and preserving his own family farm. So visitors to the Brownell farm will be delighted to walk through the front of the house and have a museum quality experience as they move through period rooms filled with real Brownell family furnishings. Recently, the house has been acquired by yet another generation of the Brownell family, Fred Bridge and his wife, Helen Bridge. Fred and Helen chose to live here year-round and made the very thoughtful and very clever decision to add to the back of the house a new addition with all the comforts of the 21st century that would allow them to live here year-round in comfort while still maintaining the front of the house very much as their ancestors knew it.